Thing that you really hate.
I'm Peter Mark, was in Ocean. Forms, yes. I'm Peter Mark, was in Ocean. Forms, yes.
Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Science rules.
Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we'll be playing Atlantic Hurricane Simulator. So let's just click on the stop button and just play. Oh my gosh, I need to look reloaded. Please be patient, folks. Finally, let's begin. Start. Oh look. Oh, that was supposed to be a hurricane. Womp womp. Basically just went away. Wompity wompity womp womp. What do we have in the system? We got 0 storms, 0 hurricanes, 0 majors. What? Intermission? What in Vertex Law? Okay. June the 1st. Yes. So far it's a peaceful summer in our area. Right now, it's peaceful summer in our area. Guess what? No storms, no hurricanes, no nothing. This is the chat, everyone, folks. This is the rarest thing that ever happened here. The rarest thing. Fun fact: this is on Scratch, and I will be providing the link below in the description. So let's just begin with the show. Hello, folks. Welcome to the news. Today, we're beginning our July with no tropical storms, no hurricanes, or no majors. So far, this season has been peaceful. And no storms. What is this? This is sauce. This is sauce Among Us. These are gonna get spiced around in August. That's when our hurricane season is out. Trashed. We just got only 2 named storms, and that's nothing. That's the end. It's July 18th, and we're recording it. We got Andy, and it's a strength 2, maybe a potential storm. By the way, what? Oh yeah, we got Bridget moving to the area as a Cat 2, expected to make landfall in Florida. Oh no, it's Cat 5. Oh no, it's a slam New York. So we got Casady. And we just got 4L. Casady did not do anything. Tropical Storm Dawn. Oh no. What do we got here? Eileen just strengthened to a big storm and just gone. 6L. Fluten. And it's moved to Grace. Oh. That's the name of my cousin's baby sister. Grace. What? And Vertex Law. Oh, it just went as a category 1. Harris. That's where I am. Harris County. Wow. Hurricane Harris was strength to a category... Wait. It was 5. It was category 5 Storm Harris. Category 5 Storm Harris did nothing. We got Isaac. Wait. We got Jenna. Jenna the hacker. Kenley. So far, nothing in the Gulf of Mexico except some sort of, except Lance, Walter Lance. Yeah. As a category 2. Yeah. Yeah, it's empty. We're gonna give this another go soon. Let's just give this another go because this was the trashiest season yet. So far, we got nothing. Nothing in the Atlantic. Until we reached August. That's all? That's all? Thanks a lot. Thanks for nothing. Thanks for nothing. The person who created this game. Thanks for nothing. Miranda was a storm and killed 15 people. Such a big serial killer. Oh look, we got Nixon. We got Nixon moving to the area. Our only hope. Nixon just died out. Such a rip. Nothing hit the Gulf of Mexico. December the 1st, it's Christmas time. Ding ding bling 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 gingle ging blingo bingo bing lingo lingo ling. What intermission, yup. We got 15 storms, 5 hurricanes, and 3 majors. That's what we get. It's the end. Let's go to the logs. Andy was the first person. Yeah, we just got the first category 5 history. Harris was 180. Seriously. So we got 2 we got 2 cat 5s. So we just got 1. Bridget was our first cat 4. And Harris was our first cat 5 close to a monster skill. But let's just give another go. Let's just exit that. Yeah. January the 1st. Okay, let's just give this another go. Yeah, let's just give this another go. Start. Oh, I like this music. Yes, good music. Start. Reset. This music is getting saucier. Yeah, this music is getting sus. Sus Among Us. Oh yeah, we got another song. Alexander. Tropical Storm. Alexander. And yeah, Tropical Storm Bruno. Urban area. And Tropical Storm Caleb. You mean Kolak? We got 3 storms so far. Good season. Good season, folks. Good season. What do we get next? What do we get next? What do we get next as a hurricane? What do we get next as a hurricane? We saw the hurricane. Oh, it's August. Some Dixie. What is it just arrived into Houston? No, it was. Oh, yeah, it was channeled potentially. This is my mind of Houston. Actually, I'm in Houston. Ooh, what do we get? July the 4th. Such fireworks. Category 1 friendly. Category 1 hurricane friendly. Category 2? Oh, what? Did it just slide into New York? Eleanor? What? Eleanor? Grayson. That must my classmate for grade. Grayson. Focus on Hewitt. Whoa! Category 1 in a tropical storm. Category 3, Category 4, Category 4. Category 1. Yeah. Everyone, we're about to end this season. We're about to end this Invertex Law is happening. I hate this so much. Oh, we just got 9 hurricanes, 9 storms, 5 hurricanes, and 2 major storms. Wait, whoa, that's our 10th storm. Congratulations. Jasper, you mean Casper? Casper, here we go. Oh, no. Casper only straight to Cat 5 scale. Womp. Cat 4 scale. Womp. Eat. Womp. 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 It just killed 144 people. The highest grace in this. Just oofing. Just going oofing 184 people. It's December. Now that's an hated Christmas present. As we expect these. We don't expect this. Yeah, it's the end. September? What? Yeah, September. What are we getting in the season? What's in the name? What's in the season? Nobody gets my point. So everyone, this is just a dumb lag, so
Bill Nye the Science Guy.